In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book an international flight ticket with Philippine Airlines online. Whether you're planning a vacation or a business trip, booking your flight can be done seamlessly from the comfort of your home. Let's dive in and get you ready for your journey. First, begin by navigating to the official website of Philippine Airlines or opening their mobile app if you prefer, using your smartphone or tablet. Once you're there, you'll see an option to search for flights. This is where the journey really begins. Click on Flights to access the booking interface. Now make sure the International tab is selected since we're focusing on booking international flights here. You'll need to enter your origin and destination cities. A useful tip is to double check the correct spellings of these cities to ensure you're looking at the right flights. Enter them in the designated fields. Next, it's time to choose your departure date. If you're planning on returning, go ahead and select your return date as well. The calendar tool provided is very intuitive and should help make this process straightforward. Just click on the required dates and they'll be marked for your trip. Consider the number of passengers you'll be traveling with. Specify the amount for each category: adults, children, and infants. It's important to note these distinctions since airlines often have different ticket pricing and terms for each passenger type. You also have the option to choose your preferred class. You can typically choose from economy, premium economy, business, or first class, depending on your budget and comfort needs. Each class offers unique benefits, so select the one that best fits your needs. With all your details set, click on Search Flights to see the available flights and fares. Take your time reviewing the options available. You'll find varying times and prices, so choose a flight that best aligns with your schedule and budget. Once you've decided, it's time to select your flight. Following this, you'll be prompted to choose a fare type that suits your travel preferences and constraints. Next, you'll enter the passenger information. Make sure that every detail matches the identification documents you'll be using for your travel. Accuracy matters here to avoid any issues during check-in or security checks at the airport. After entering all the necessary passenger information, you'll have the option to choose your seat and add any extras, such as additional baggage or meal preferences. Take advantage of this feature to tailor your in-flight experience to your comfort. Finally, proceed to the payment section to complete your booking. Enter your payment details, ensuring that they are correct and up to date. Once your payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email containing your itinerary. It's a good idea to review this email thoroughly to ensure everything is in order. And there you have it. Your flight is booked and you're ready for your adventure. Stay tuned for more tutorials that make your travels easier. Safe journeys!